Hey service professionals, we wanted to take you through our diagnostic codes on our dehumidifiers and what these codes actually mean. Our goal for this troubleshooting video is to walk you through the diagnostic codes that you may see presented on your Aprilaire dehumidifier and what those codes mean and how to move past them. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's take a look at diagnostic code E9, which means the outdoor temperature sensor is either open or shorted.
Let's talk a little bit about what that means and how to check for it. So the first thing that you want to do is check the connection at the terminal block at the dehumidifier.
Your outdoor temperature sensor terminal block is located here. 2 steps. Number 1, make sure your wires are good and secured. Number 2, remove the terminal block. Ensure your pins are not bent. If your pins are perfect and your wiring is secured, move to the next step.
If your connection is good, the next thing you're going to want to do is remove the wires for the outdoor temperature sensor and check resistance on them.
If you have access to a multimeter, one that can measure resistance, you can look for a resistance value in kiloohms across the sensor wires. Disconnect the sensor wires from the ODT terminals on the user interface and measure across the wires.
Generally speaking, a short circuit is going to show a very low resistance, close to 0. An open circuit is going to show a very high resistance. We have provided a chart that you can see here, which will help you understand the proper amount of resistance based upon the outdoor temperature. If you are seeing something very similar based upon temperature that we're showing you in this chart, that means your outdoor temperature sensor is functioning properly. If the sensor is not reading properly, you're just going to want to replace that sensor. Part number 8052, real simple replacement, and everything will check out okay.
If your connection looks good and your temperature sensor appears to be undamaged, call our tech support for more help. So if you have any questions, we want you to contact our tech support, 1-800-334-6011, or if you need additional information or resources, please visit our contractor-only website, www.aprilairepartners.com. With that, thanks very much. Have a great day.